Cadence gracefully, scissors in flight, cutting shapes and curves, bringing art to light. From delicate flowers to intricate cut lace, she molds paper with love and gentle grace. She folds origami cranes soaring high, whispering wishes into the sky. Each crease a story, a secret to share. Her crafts are tokens of love and care. With colored pens, she paints vibrant scenes on textured canvas. Her visions convey